Hello guys, myself Kamal Sen from Kota, Rajasthan. I have completed my BTech from Mechanical Engineering with honors. I have almost 2 years of experience in as a competition maths teacher and the secondary maths teacher. Firstly, today we will discuss about the cuboid Ghanab. Firstly, we explain what is cuboid Ghanab. In the cuboid, length, width, and height is all the three dimensions are the different. Assume the length L is equal to L, height is H, and width is B. Firstly, we find the volume of the cuboid. Volume is equal to area into height, base area. Base area is L and B. L into B is the base area, and height is H. Then the volume of the cuboid is LBH. After that, we find the total surface area of area, back face area, right face area, and the left face area, top face and the bottom face area. All the 6 faces areas are included in the total surface area. First we include the front face area. Length is L and height is S. Then L into S, front face, L into S, back face. L into B is a top face, and L into B is a bottom face. B into S is a left face, and B into is a right face. 2LH plus 2LB plus 2BH. 2LH plus 2LB plus 2BH. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. After total surface area of the cuboid, we discuss about the lateral surface area of the cuboid. In the lateral surface area of the cuboid, we found the all 4 walls areas of the cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid minus we remove the area of the top face and bottom face from total surface area of the cuboid. Then we find the lateral surface area of the cuboid. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is front face, back face, right face, and the left face. This is the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Then L into H is the front face, L into H is the back face, B into H is the right face, and B into H is the left face. Then the 2LH plus 2LB. 2 is the common and S is the common. So 2H, L plus B into height, L, length plus breadth. This is the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Thank you.